Hey guys, it's Saga from TecworkZ and I've got the Samsung Galaxy M51. In this video, let us do a quick unboxing and see what all this phone offers us at a starting price of 24,999 rupees. Now, if you guys want to watch this video in Hindi, you can click on this card which will appear on the top right corner of your screen or on the link in the description section. A lot of you guys have been asking me, so I finally made a new Hindi channel. If you guys understand Hindi, then click on the link in the description and come show some love and support by hitting the subscribe button on the new channel. I have also posted a mini review of the Realme 7 Pro on that channel, so you guys can check that out as well. Coming back to the M51. It was available in Celestial Black and Electric Blue color. I went with the black one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It's also available in 8GB RAM and 128GB storage option for 26,999 rupees. The box is pretty simple and similar to other M series phones. Let us just open the seal and take a look inside. Now when you open the box, don't just put this lid away, because Samsung packs in some stuff inside this cover. There is a SIM tray ejection pin outside the box. On the inside, there is some paperwork like warranty card and quick start guide. And Samsung did not bundle a case with this phone. Now come on Samsung, phones that are priced much lower than this come with a thin case. They should have given a case, given these plastic bag glossy phones are very prone to gathering scratches and fingerprints. Anyways, then there is the phone itself in the Celestial Black color. I will keep it aside while we take a look at other things in the box. Next up, we get the 25W fast charger, and this one gets a Type-C port. So the cable that we get is also USB-C to USB-C. Now if you want to connect this phone to your laptop, you will have to use another USB Type-A to Type-C cable, unless your laptop has a USB Type-C port. Now let me keep all these things aside so we can get back to the phone. Now I am sure most of you know that this phone comes with a 7000 mAh battery. But even with this mammoth battery, it doesn't feel too heavy. Its weight is just around the 210 gram mark. Now let me remove the plastic covering. And also the sticker from the back. I didn't expect this to be so glossy. Samsung says that it is a mixture of plastic and glass, and they are calling it plastic. At the front, this phone gets a massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, and it is covered by Gorilla Glass 3. Yeah, so despite of paying 25,000 rupees, you get a pretty old Gorilla Glass 3 protection for your display. Now Super AMOLED Plus means that the display is thinner and lighter than previous Super AMOLED panels, and that is one of the reasons that this phone is not as thick or heavy. Taking a look around the device, there is a long volume button on the right and the power button just below it. This power button also houses a physical fingerprint sensor under it. So although it's an AMOLED screen, you don't get an in-display fingerprint sensor. There is just a noise cancelling microphone at the top, and the SIM tray is on the left side of the phone. It is a dual nano SIM tray with a dedicated microSD card slot. At the bottom, there is a speaker grill on the right, microphone besides it, a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Coming to the back, other than the Samsung branding at the bottom, there is a quad camera setup on the top left. Main camera gets a 64MP Sony IMX682 sensor with a 1.8 aperture and 26mm lens. Then there is a 12MP sensor with f2.2 aperture and an ultra-wide-angle lens, followed by a 5MP macro camera with f2.4 aperture and another 5MP camera with a depth sensor and f2.4 aperture. It's good to see Samsung using Sony sensor for their main camera. At the front, there is a 32MP sensor with f2.0 aperture and a 26mm lens in an Infinity O style camera cutout. Very soon, I'm going to make a detailed video about the cameras on this phone, so make sure you have the notifications for the channel turned on. Just like with the camera, Samsung again surprised all of us by leaving the Exynos series processor out of this phone and including the Snapdragon 730G processor coupled with Adreno 618 GPU. You get to choose between 6 or 8GB of RAM, and there is 128GB of built-in storage with a dedicated microSD card expansion slot. And all of this is powered by a massive 7000 mAh non-removable battery. This is just a ridiculous amount of battery backup. And this phone also supports reverse charging, so you can even use this phone as a power bank and pass on some of that charge to your friends who are maybe using the Poco X2 or an iPhone SE. It is running on Samsung's One UI 2.1 which is built on top of Android 10. Over the years, I have started to like Samsung's version of Android. It is not nearly as bad as it was a few years ago. There are a lot of features packed into this user interface. Now, out of the box, there are quite a few number of apps pre-installed. Not only Samsung and Microsoft apps, but a few others as well. You can uninstall some of them, so that should not be an issue. Now you get the always on display on this phone, but by default it is set at tap to show. But since this phone has a massive battery, I'm just going to leave it on all the time. So that is it for the quick unboxing and overview of the Samsung Galaxy M51. I'm going to spend a lot of time with this phone so I can tell you guys more about its performance, battery life and overall usability in its full review. I will also be making a lot of other videos like camera comparison and speed test with other phones in the coming days. So make sure you have your eyes on the channel. And again, if you guys understand Hindi, don't forget to come, subscribe and say hi on the new channel. If you guys are looking to purchase this Samsung Galaxy M51, I will really appreciate if you get it from the affiliate links in the description section. That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.